This is Go Figure, day 21. I want to do it, I said to Max. When I go to schools to speak or meet kids at other events, I'd like them to be able to buy a figure of me if they want. I'd like to have a supply that some kids could win in a drawing. I'd like to keep in touch with you so I can reorder. Also, because I hope your technology will get better and better, so that when anyone can have an action figure of themselves produced individually if they like, I can point to your company. There's one more thing, I said to Max. Now I'm the one who might sound odd. Lesson on the left. How do your ideas compare to what I asked? Soon you'll see more requests that I made to Max. Compare them to your ideas too. So if you want to go back to day or chapter 13, where I ask you your thoughts. So imagine someone approaches you or approaches me, either way, and I'm asking you for advice. Hey, what do you think about this? What should I be aware of? What should I request? Anytime you enter into a situation like this, maybe it's in the future a business deal that you make, or maybe it's a trade that you make where you give someone something and then they give you something in return. There are details that you have to work out. And part of the fun or part of the thought exploration of this book is to think about these ideas, these requests or these asks that I make. I'd like to have some in hand to sell. I'd like to have some the kids could win in a drawing. I'd like to be in touch with you, maintain a line of open communication. These are all suggestions or requests that the Spaniard in the book is making toward Max. So think out loud, talk yourself through it. If you're interacting with someone, a teacher or a parent right now, compare your ideas that you have of what I should ask to the ideas that I have mentioned before. And as it says in the book, in the coming chapters and pages, you'll hear more ideas and more requests that I make.